Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where what? The vibes are immaculate and what? The food is absolutely delicious. My name is Yanni. Today we're making a garlic butter shrimp pasta. This dish will be creamy, this dish will be so garlicky, and most of all, it will be incredibly easy. The big, juicy, succulent shrimp are perfectly paired with the freshest of ingredients. Now before we begin, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap on that little notification bell for more recipes from us. Step 1, bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add the linguini and cook this according to the package directions until the pasta is al dente. Strain the pasta, set it aside. I promise we're gonna get back to it in just a little bit. Add a large skillet to your stove, crank up that heat to medium. Add some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and the shrimp. Cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. Remove the shrimp and same thing, set it aside. I promise we will get back to it. Next up, we'll be building our garlic butter sauce. In the same skillet over medium heat, add the butter and the remaining tablespoon of garlic, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, lemon juice, dry white wine, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Stir all of this super well until combined and simmer until the sauce has reduced. When it's ready, the sauce will be about half its volume than when we started. Add the shrimp back into the butter sauce, add in the cooked linguini, and then toss all of this until it is well coated and glossy. Look at how creamy and dreamy and absolutely delicious this looks. I will never achieve the top flavor we have achieved in this meal. Carry me away in a casket because this is it for me, babes. If you want the full recipe, check the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. Not only will you find this gorgeous, delicious dish, but also a whole library of others built by chefs on Cozymeal for you. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to see more recipes like this one. I don't know about y'all, but I want to hear you sound off in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching. Mwah. It was an absolute pleasure. I'll see you next time.